This is December 24th, 2022, Christmas Eve. We got a snowstorm. I'm so happy my kids are home for the holiday, so clean up the snow for me. Cha-cha!
Oh, you're doing a nice job of holding your dog.
Oh my god, all the snow coming inside. Okay, get out, Suni. Helping them.
Oh, Suni.
Ooh, hey, you guys have to clean up here so I can close the door. You want me to close the door? Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
Close the door.
Do work out. Suni, now you could go out, do party. That's how you kids are playing in the snow.
See, look, I started off here. I started off this high. I sunk. You try it. Alright.
Oh, Suni. Wait, we just have Suni problem.
Yeah.
She loves it.
Oh no, come on.
Oh, she cannot walk up the
Okay, wait, go.
Oh, go.